In this tutorial, I guide you through the process of finding your saved videos on TikTok. Make sure to watch until the end to ensure a smooth experience. Don't forget to show your support by liking this video and subscribe to my channel. Now let's get started. To begin, open the TikTok app. If you want to save a video, simple tap on the bookmark icon located on the video you wish to save. Once you've saved a video, it will prompt Add to Favorites. Now let me show you how to easily find the video you have saved. Go to a profile by tapping on the Me icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. In the middle of your profile screen, you'll find the bookmark icon. Tap on it and it will show you all the content you have saved on TikTok, including videos, collections, sounds, effects, plays, comments, questions, hashtags, and products. Select videos to find all your saved video. From here you can view all your saved videos. If you want to unsave a video, simple play it and tap on the highlighted bookmark icon again to remove the video from your saved video. And that's how you find and manage your saved video on TikTok. If you have any questions about the tutorial, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials and until next time, happy TikToking!